never forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Jamaica Defence Force Mass Camp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mass Camp, guys.
Camp Road, right? Mm-hmm.
Camp Road.
Yeah, man.
There's a prison over here.
Mm-hmm.
So which prison is this?
My name
You see that lightning? Did you see that lightning?
Yeah, man, lightning, yeah, man.
Park Camp.
Yeah, man.
But what's the proper name?
What's the name? See that?
See. What prison is this, guys?
I don't even know.
What prison is this?
Up on Camp Road. They call it game, remember when you?
Let's say Up Park Camp, because it's Up Park Camp.
Yeah,
because it's yeah.
Upper Camp, and I say Upper Camp.
Guys, what prison is that?
What different names thing?
I can't remember the name.
Yeah, sir. We not doing prison.
Can't remember the name of it. What, guys, if you know, comment. What prison is that? It's not Horizon, is it?
No, man, right.
It's not GP.
No, GP. The GP does the east.
Alright, so what's the other one, guys? What's the other one? Yeah. You're supposed to know. Well, you say you don't know nothing about prison, so. Yeah, but yeah. You might know the name, you know what I mean?
You know the name, so you don't remember it.
Yeah. The prison on Camp Road. What's it called? We passed it and we don't know. I can't remember it. Yeah.
So that's the thing there. We said you got a party one time.
Where?
On the top. Don't play cricket grounds, man.
Oh, Sabina Park.
Sabina Park, see there? Oh,
okay, Sabina Park, yeah. Sabina Park where they play cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did go to a stage show there.
Yeah, you just said it was
Which was really good actually. Toots and the Maytals was performing.
Yeah?
Yeah, at the time.
A long time ago.
A long time ago. And who else was Assassin or Agent Sasko was performing at the time. Yeah, it was a good show. And a few other people.
So they redo it, you know?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Put the thing
up there.
Lights and everything.
Yeah. The Sabina Park, guys.
Yeah.
And they've got a mural on the side.
Yeah,
that all like the cricketers and stuff, right?
Yeah, man.
You see that all the. Oh, I can see Chris Gale. That's the only one I can name.
Yeah, if you remember the name.
That's the only one I can name. Chris Gale. You see them there?
Yeah. And goes up there. And then
a few other ones. Courtney Walsh, yes, another
quite
one.
A few more than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I thought the thing.
That's nice, isn't it? That is nice. Sabina Park, yeah.
Right along the wall, nice, you know. See? What a Rockford, dog. In Kingston. We come up to the flour mill there. The favorite.
On the left hand side, see the flour mill there, where all the flour's made.
Flour mill at the Rockford, that's all.
Yeah.
See it right, that's all. Yeah, man, that's a Jamaica flour mill. So,
yeah.
We talk about dumpling. The real dumpling. Yes, that only in Jamaica you can get dumpling. You can get dumpling nowhere in the world but Jamaica.
Like that you mean? Like
yes.
Yes.
When you get dumpling in Jamaica, you get the real dumpling.
Okay, and why do you say that is? There's a reason why it says this, people.
Yes, there must be a reason. Alright, what's
He always says that Jamaica dumpling, there's nothing like Jamaica dumpling.
Never nowhere in the world.
And why do you say that now?
Alright, the reason why Jamaica dumpling is always dumpling. Because the flour mill
is next to
the cement factory.
The cement factory,
Yes.
So we're coming up to the cement factory.
It's close to the cement factory.
Yeah.
So you know we have a dash of cement in our flour.
Yeah. Guys, we just passed the flour mill, as you see, and coming up, you probably can see, is the cement factory where the Carib cement.
Yes.
Carib cement?
Yes.
Carib cement.
Yes.
Yeah, is made. So it's so close.
Yes.
Outlaw always says that the cement from the cement factory blows over.
Yeah, I know when it gets hard up.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it's putting that thing down and put together, you know what that means.
So it always says that's why our dumplings are so.
It's the toughest dumpling in the world.
Firm. Yeah.
When you need them dumplings, it's the toughest dumpling ever get in the world. Yeah, Jamaica, you get that.
Alright, guys, see the cement factory on the left coming up?
Yes, see there?
How close? On my left.
Two sides of the road,
okay, on both sides.
Road,
okay, here it is, the cement factory. See how close it is to the flour mill?
Yes.
Yeah, so Outlaw always says some of the cement blows and goes over to the
after, you know what?
to the flour mill.
Well, if you know what dust cement is?
Oh, it is on both sides.
Yeah, man, cement, dusty like floor, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, man, same thing as it's still dusty.
Yeah, still
that's
dusty.
Go over there.
So you said that goes into the flour mill, and that's why Jamaican dumplings are so firm.
That's where we get dumpling.
When we need them, they're so.
Yeah, you get that firm something there. Yeah. One is my name Johnny Cake. Some people call the same thing dumpling, but Johnny Cakes is when you mix the flour with cornmeal. You want to say you get Johnny Cake. Yeah, one different dumpling that. But the natural white dumpling. Yeah, real dumpling, tough dumpling. Yeah, man, you want that cement in there, man.
Sweet there.
Yeah, man. That's cement is there.
So that's why Jamaican dumplings are the way they are, according to Outlaw.
Yes.
Yes.
You need the Jamaican flour.
Mixed with the flour.
Dumpling. Yeah. So things like that. It's right, man.
We're at KFC, Jamaica's national dish.
How about you, my people?
I always say that. KFC is Jamaica. Forget ackee and saltfish. KFC, Jamaica's national dish. Outlaw calls it something else. What do you call it? KFC stands for what?
Keep from cooking.
Keep from cooking.
Yes. Make sure you this. But you up on the road right now, we have to snap something and go through.
Yeah. We're not getting home so late tonight.
If you follow it up, you turn what listen to life now.
Yes, guys. Keep from cooking. KFC Harbourview.
Where is the outlet down? What is the outlet?
Yeah, big fan. People walking, exercise.
What is that? Like the lake in the US, the lake them. But then I don't see it place over there, but it's the over water. I think it's a sea or something.
The lake, yeah.
See where you come like that. This is the sea. Rougher water, what is it? No, what is it more rougher? Yeah. Rockford here is on the hills of Rockford. Or like a hill and them place there.
Norman Manley International Airport. I love seeing that something there. That, yeah. So remember, guys, contact us for your airport pickups and drop-offs. We do island-wide, not just Montego Bay Airport. We do Kingston as well, as you can see. You can see we're at Norman Manley International Airport, about to do a pickup. So of course, guys, get in contact with us, email us, send me a WhatsApp message if you want to inquire about airport pickup, drop off, of course tours as well. Yeah, we got you covered. Hey everyone, I don't even know whereabouts I'm in the vlog right now. I'm trying to make weekly vlog, but it's I was sick for a few days, so I kind of got lost of track. But it's, what day is it today? Wednesday today? Yeah, Wednesday today. I'm in Ochi, solo again, Outlaw's at work, and just come to pick up some fruits actually. So I've just went to one of the fruit stalls, picked up some fruits. I'll show you what I've got. So I got some ripe bananas, I've got some papayas, 2 papayas, some ripe bananas, and I got 1 pine. Yeah, pineapple. That was $1,000, so that's not bad. $1,000 for all of that, for these fruits. I have to go and get some frozen berries now, so these are gonna go in my smoothies. Yeah. And guys, as well, let me just explain that I don't always take the camera out when I'm on the road. So what I would love to do is obviously like show you when I'm buying the stuff, you know, like go to the market, take out the camera, show you everything. But because I'm traveling, because I'm by myself, I'm always cautious. So I buy the stuff, and then once I'm like in the car, I'll show you guys what I've got. If I was with Outlaw, it'd be a different thing, because you know Outlaw, he doesn't business, he just take the camera anywhere and anywhere, and he's fine, nobody would trouble him. But me as a single, you know, walking as a female by myself, taking out the camera, I'm always cautious. So you may not always see me when I'm by myself take out the camera just in the street. Nah, you know, you have to be cautious, you have to be careful. So once I'm in the security of the car, I will kind of show you what I've bought. So bear with me, and please understand, okay? So just bear with me. Yeah, so pick up a few more things now. So guys, I have to give you this joke, yeah? So I wish I could have put it on camera, but you know, I couldn't. So I was parked up, I was in a store called MK, right next to Champion Supermarket. Those who know it, in Ochi, there's a department store next door called MK. So I was in MK, and as I came out of MK, I could see this lady trying to park next to me, right? So I had parked face forward. She was trying to park facing as well. but she was so close to the car. Like I'm saying, she was like inches, maybe 2 inches away from the car. So I say to her, I'm trying to guide her and direct her, and she's turning the wheel the wrong way. Do you know what I mean? Like she almost let me just swing into here. She almost touched the car. And the more I'm trying to tell her which way to turn is like the more closer to the car she's getting. So in the end, I just said, lady, do you want me to move your car for you? She was like, yes, please. It's like she was like happy that I said it. So I managed to swing the car out and I parked it up for her and managed to get myself out. So she said, oh, thank you so much. I'm still new at this. So I just said, you know what? It's fine. We've all been there. We've all been there when we've just learned to drive and we just passed our test and we don't really know how to handle the car. Do you know what I mean? And, you know, so... yeah, that was a little thing for today. I mean, I wish I could have got it on camera, but you know, sometimes you just have to help out, isn't it? You know, just help a sister out, you know. I wasn't mad at her or anything. Obviously, she needed the help, so I just helped her. So, yeah. That was a bit funny though. I wish I could have got it on camera, but yeah. Hey everyone. I don't know where I'm in the vlog. I said that last time, right? But I'm solo. Look, no outlaw. I'm driving. Yeah, again. Doing a lot of solo riding lately, but yeah, solo. I'm actually going to meet Outlaw, so it's, I don't, what day is it today? Oh my gosh, I think it's Tuesday today. Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah. And I'm going to Discovery Bay. So I'm on my way to Discovery Bay right now. I'm going to meet Outlaw. We actually have a job today. We have a pickup from Montego Bay, and but Outlaw actually went to work this morning. So he went to work this morning. He did the school, you know, dropped the school kids off, and then he came. I think he got a ride down to Discovery Bay, so he's waiting for me now. So I've got to go to. I'm on my way to meet him in Discovery Bay. It's like 9 o'clock, and look at the traffic. Like 9 o'clock and there's traffic. Isn't everybody at work already? What time do people start work? Like, look. Traffic already. This is traffic going into Ochi. And I'm still in St. Mary. I haven't reached St. Anne yet. Yeah. The traffic going into Ochi. At least it's moving. I mean, it's moving. That's the one good thing. It's not like standstill or anything. But 9 o'clock and there's traffic on the road. Like, it's going to be like this all the way into Ochi. Oh boy. Yeah, I've still got to stop off. I've still got to make my stop and get my you know what, because I'm on the road. Yes. I've got to get my patty. So yeah. Yes guys, so come with me to Discovery Bay, and then, you know, as soon as I get to Discovery Bay, Outlaw, I'm going to jump out of the driver's seat, go into the passenger seat. Outlaw can take over. Yeah, because I drive, but you know I'm not about that driving life right now. So yes guys, this man's got me up and down the place, driving here, driving there, but work is work, innit? And you know, you got to do what you have to do. So yeah. Alright guys, see you in a few. Yes guys, and this is what the taxis in Jamaica do, and the drivers, just because they ain't got no patience to wait, they just pull in. Watch them. They just take over. They just come down on the opposite lane and they just take over, especially the taxis. Alright guys, at White River. So this bridge separates St. Mary and St. Anne. Okay, so this is White River. So we cross the bridge, we left from St. Mary and we go into St. Anne. So many people get it confused. They're in like Tower Isle or Rio Nouveau or in St. Mary, and they're like, oh yeah, I'm in Ochi, or I'm going to Ochi, I'm staying in Ochi. No, it's not Ochi. It's not even St. Anne, the parish, it's St. Mary. Okay. So this is where St. Mary officially ends and St. Anne officially begins, at White River. You know where they do the rafting? Let me show you the beach. Some of you might know this beach over here, White River. Yeah, and then they do the, I can't quite catch it, but the rafting is over that side. So White River is the divider between St. Mary and St. Anne. Okay, so if you're crossing this river, if you're crossing this bridge, you're in St. Mary. Come from the other way, come from Ochi side. Going towards Ochi, you're in, going towards St. Anne. Let me see if there's any rafters out today. I don't know, maybe a few, well, nobody rafting, but a few rafts parked up. So So I'm gonna make a stop at this gas station real quick. Not for gas, but for a patty. Yeah. Oh, so the police are doing their oh, the lights are not working, so police are doing their thing. Yeah. Police are doing their thing. Alright, let's see if this place has got any patty. Got my patty. Hi guys, look who it is. I'm no longer in the driver's seat.
Yeah. So that, why is I around?
What did I say? What did I say, guys? What did I say before? I said the same thing, didn't I?
Why is I around?
I said as soon as I link up with Outlaw, I'm gonna be in the passenger seat. He's gonna be back in the driver's seat.
Babes, why is I around?
Yeah.
Yeah, she not up on her drive. No, she don't even give me a minute. Myself, where me and she's concerned traveling. Oh. But manas.
That's how it goes, right? Yeah. So I'm in the passenger seat now. So we're in Trelawney now, innit? Just reached Trelawney.
Yeah.
Duncan's. Yeah. So we're in Duncan's now. So we're on the way to the airport.
Yeah. So that place there, must know that place there, so.
Yeah. This is
Yes, when you come into the house up on the hillside, up on the left hand side, on the hilltop there.
Yeah.
I always see that. Everybody must see that. That's a landmark. Yes, man.
Yes, guys, we reached Montego Bay. We reached like an hour early.
Yeah.
The flight doesn't land for another hour, but we're just coming to Dead End. Dead End in my Bay. We've featured this like quite a lot of times actually on our channel. Dead End.
Sit there for an hour, so they want a flight coming.
Yeah, depending on the time of the day though, isn't it? It's a bit early now.
Yeah. At the top of the look at that one coming.
Where?
See there coming?
Its eyesight is so good, I can't see a thing. People, I can't see nothing.
Where?
Where?
Look.
Where?
Look down, look. See everything down here? Look down. Look, you see it? Look up in here now. You don't see it?
No.
Don't tell me that come on Visa, don't do me that in the Visa.
The people, can you see anything? That where? Where am I pointing?
See it, look down, look this up. See it there? You see it?
Oh yeah.
Come on, girl.
Can you see it, guys? Yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah, it's coming right there.
He has got good eyesight. Far. You can see far.
Stop light and top from.
You can see far, but you can't see close.
What is this? You
You
have
know-
glasses for that.
Yeah.
There you go. And the next 15 minutes time, there goes another one or something like that.
Yeah.
I'm still one down there turning right now for come up.
Is it?
Yeah? Right. You put a distance up, I say.
There it
Yeah.
is.
American.
Airlines. Yeah.
You can't
So where's the other one?
It's way out there, man. Way out.
How do you see it?
Just see it a while ago, but just see it a while ago.
Anyway. Yeah.
Where's that person, man?
Sea Garden. That's a cheap all-inclusive. Like an all-inclusive on a budget. If you're on a budget and you want all-inclusive, that's the place to come.
Sea Garden.
Yeah, it's all-inclusive, but it's on a budget. It's a budget, so you know it's not going to be up there like the rest. But
Yes, you understand.
yeah, you can,
Yeah, whatever.
So the whole vibe.
Vibe is there. Yeah, you must be on the seashore, so.
Yeah,
man.
You got the beach right here.
Whole vibe, yes. So, it's deer beaches.
Yes.
It's a beach side,
Yes.
Yeah,
You always see
and
people-
bar and maybe kitchen.
You always see people crossing, innit?
Restaurant, yeah.
Yeah.
You got me all the same
Over
cross.
there.
Right in the city.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
So usually when we're early, we just come and just chill,
Full of vibe on the
chill
side.
out here for a little while.
Yeah, man, nice vibe, man.
Yeah.
You right to the seaside of there, see what's going on right around. There's some fresh air, you know, and all these things. Yeah, nice
Few
little vibe.
hotels over there, and then this is what it's all about.
There you go. So them thing that, some to them orange thing and all the plate for that and
Come in.
yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, when you line up with that, you're good for the for the landway. Yeah.
Yes, pilot outlaw.
Yeah, man, that's the whole point of it.
You can fly plane?
No, you know. You used to make them in school paper. And just set it up. No engine. Yes.
So we are dead end because it's a dead end.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Chill spot, you know. take a drink and don't go on like your Kingston. Right now, look at Pitney enjoy himself.
Why not?
With mama. That's a part of the thing. Enjoy, man. Say, see most vehicle park up there now. But just chill out.
Yeah. Guys, this man is obsessed with the seeing the planes come in.
Yeah, man.
He wants me to capture this one. One time we sat here and watched about 6 planes or more back to back. Innit? Do you remember?
Yeah, people.
I'm sure we put it on the vlog one at a time already.
This is how close we is to the plane. Yeah, we actually can't touch it, but you understand that. Yeah, very close. See coming in? Just give me a minute or two. Yeah, man, they're there. See the foot them down already, ready to stand up. Yes.
You should be a plane spotter. You need your pen and your paper to mark down which planes are coming in.
I could do that right here.
And all of that.
I could do that right here.
See it coming
That's it.
There.
That's one is a bigger one than the first one. See my people, that's how close it is to it right now.
So people, I'm just sitting in the car and I spot this tree and I see these round green things growing. So I said to Outlaw, what kind of tree is this and what is that? What did you say?
Paki. America used to call it Paki.
Paki.
But the right there is Godi.
Godi.
Yeah.
Oh, Godi.
Yeah, so you take it and you put it down and make it cool and make it dry up and then you cut the top of it and scrape out the middle of it. Then you put it back to dry and then you eat some food from that, drink some water from that and whatever you can be. That becomes the utensil.
So what's the name that you said it is?
Godi.
No, the other name is
Paki.
Is it Callabash?
Calabash.
Calabash, that's how I know it.
Yes.
Oh,
same thing, Calabash.
Yeah,
that's all the name. All of them have the same name.
Yeah.
Paki, Godi, Calabash.
Yeah.
So that's something that can be a utensil.
So
you eat from it.
Rasta man use it,
yes. Right? Eat from it to drink from it.
Yeah.
And the Empress, the Rasta woman, I mean like the Empresses, them make some purses. Yeah, make some, put a little string, cut a little top, and them do them thing and put a little string over top to them side.
Yeah, so can you see it, guys, that little green thing?
Yeah, man. And you do a lot of thing. Yeah. Do a lot of thing. You can write anything you want right on the side. I mean like crap it out on it.
That green thing there. There's a few more.
Yeah, man. Callabash.
Calabash.
Yeah, man.
Okay, learn something new every day.
Rasta man, original thing that a bushman. From Asian thing that. Yeah, man, Asian thing that. Every Rasta man yard there is a calabash. Put on somewhere around here. Yeah, man. You know, most Rasta man.
Yeah.
Traditional Rasta man.
Yeah.
Yeah. If one of them places go, if you go up a Rasta smoker right now, you see that up there.
Yeah.
I tell you that. I ask him, I tell you. Yeah, man, that up there. But a Rasta man thing, man. Calabash. And people come here and enjoy eating from it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean like tourists.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, man. Them enjoy eating from it too.
So when you gonna do that for me, make me eat out of Calabash.
So I can't get it, man. I can't say interested in that. What are you interested? Nice. Like that.
Oh yes, babe. Never one. See, I told you he's obsessed. Obsessed with the plane.
See, yeah? At the second of the same plane. The one that come before this, the same thing like that. American plane. That was like 5 minutes time. If that much.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.